In today's video, I am going to teach you how to inspect Element on Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, navigate to any website you want. You can use a news site, an online store, or even your own web page if you have one. The idea is simply to have a page loaded, so you can examine how it is built. Next, find a specific item on the page that you want to inspect. This could be an image, a button, a heading, or a line of text. Move your mouse over that item, then right-click directly on it. A menu will appear with several options. Go all the way to the very bottom of that menu and select Inspect. This opens Chrome DevTools, which is a built-in set of tools for viewing and understanding the structure of a web page. After you click Inspect, look to the right side of the browser window or the bottom, depending on your layout. You should see a panel open with tabs and a section labeled Elements. This Elements area shows the page's HTML, which is the code that describes the content and structure you see in the browser. Now gently move your mouse over different lines of code in the Elements panel. As you hover, you will notice that different parts of the actual web page highlight. This highlight helps you connect the code to what is visible on the page. It is a useful way to confirm which section controls a specific image, text block, or button. To be even more precise, click the Select Element icon near the top left of the Inspect panel. It looks like a small arrow inside a square. When this tool is active, move your cursor back onto the web page and click the exact item you want to examine. As soon as you click, Chrome will jump to the matching line of code in the Elements panel and select it for you, making it much easier to locate the correct element. When you are finished, close the Inspect panel by clicking the X icon in the top right corner of the panel. That covers everything you need to know.